In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We'll walk through how to update your Google profile image using Google Meet, so the picture others see beside your name in meetings looks just the way you want. This is a quick process, and once you make the change here, it carries across other Google services tied to the same account. First, open Google Meet in your web browser. If you have multiple Google accounts, glance at the top right to make sure you're signed in to the correct one. That matters because the picture you change will apply to the account you're currently using. If you land on a welcome or landing page, that's perfect. You don't need to start or join a meeting for this. Next, look to the top right corner and click your profile image or initial. This is your account button. Clicking it opens a small menu that shows your current picture, your name, and some account options. If you see more than one account listed, double-check you're on the right one before continuing. Inside that menu, click your profile image again. Think of this as telling Google you want to edit that picture. This second click brings up the Profile Photo Editor, where you'll find options to pick a new image. If you don't have a photo yet, it might show your initial. Clicking it works the same way and takes you to the photo options. When the editor opens, choose Upload from Device. This lets you select a picture already saved on your computer or phone. Pick a clear, well-lit image where your face is easy to recognize. A simple background works best, and a square or centered photo helps avoid awkward cropping in small circles. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. After you select your file, Google will guide you through positioning the image so it fits the circular frame neatly. Take a moment to align it so your face isn't cut off at the edges. Once you finish, your new photo is set. You should see it update at the top right. And the change usually appears in Google Meet tiles, Gmail, and other Google apps within a short time. If it doesn't switch instantly, give it a minute and refresh the page. That's it. You've just updated your Google profile picture through Google Meet. Remember to choose an image that reflects how you want to appear in professional or classroom settings, and keep it high quality so it looks crisp in small thumbnails. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you need a quick refresher.